In this exercise, we want to write a program that basically reads two lists of numbers. We don't know how many numbers. All we know is the last number is 0, and we just assume that 0 is not one of the numbers. And then the program uses a function and passes these two lists to that function, and the function needs to find the common numbers between two lists and then put them in another list and then print them. If there is no common number in those two lists, the function needs to print a message that there are no two numbers. For example, we can see this is the main program, asks for list A, the last number is 0, and then it asks for list B, last number again 0, and then this is the result of the function that finds the common number, for example, 35 in list A, also in list B, 8 in list A, and in list B, and so on. So we initialize both lists, list A, list B, as empty list. Then we read the first list. First, we need to read the first number of the first list. And we just assume that we are reading integers. Okay. So while number is not 0, add the number to the list, and then read the next number. Revise the message. Fixing typos. So that's reading list A. We do the same thing for list B. List B, and this becomes list B and list B. Then we write the function. We just call it find commons. That receives both lists. So what we want to do in a function, we want to compare a member or check whether each member of the first list is in the second list. In order to do that, we're using the membership test operator in Python, that is in operator. And if that number of this in the first list is also on the second list, we just add it to a new list, list of commons, for example. And once we're done, we can print it. And if the list of common doesn't contain any member, we can just print a message that there is no common number. So first, let's initialize our list. Then we say for each number in list A, if num in list B, then add it to the common list. This piece of code takes care of finding the common numbers. Once we are done, we can just say if there is no member in common list, but basically if the length or the size of the common list is basically 0, print a message like no common numbers, else we print the list. Let's give it a try. And we also obviously need to call the function inside our main program. So we just say find commons, we supply both lists, and we prefer to be tidy, so we just declare the list at the top of the program. So this becomes our main program. Let's give it a try. Bunch of random numbers. Let's list A, 88, and let's say 7, the common numbers. And, oh, okay. We're supposed to enter 0 in a setup, but instead I just pressed the enter key. And when the code in here tried to do the typecasting, it says, hey, I don't know what is the number associated for an empty string. So let's rerun it. 43, 65, 7, 8, 0. Then some random numbers, and 8, and then 0. And you can see the common numbers are 8. Let's try it with different sets of number to basically engage this part of the code. That means there's no common numbers for both of the lists. So 40, 32, 67, 87, list A, then list 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, 0. No common numbers.